good, yeah. Yeah, remember the Prime Minister's Gospel Concert this evening up by town while into the roadblock. I hear wonder what? Yeah. We're putting a lot of God in the thing. Yeah, because you know my boss said God first, everything after. Sure! I'm a liberate peace now, I'm a liberate peace. Nobody can feed me, hungry will kill me. Yeah. Jackie, man, here for you go. Alright. Remember, the Prime Minister's Gospel Concert today, hosted by DJ Andrew Holness, DJ Juliet Holness, and Mix Master Babsy Grange. Yeah. Big up yourself, let's get out of the Gospel Concert. Show! Yeah. I love the energy of this goat. His goats are saying show, Father. Show. Yeah. Once again, and as I go in, gone. Show, big up to the brother that buy me a beer earlier. Respect, definitely, a wholeness. We're going for his fellow brother. Mr. Foster, wholeness. Big up yourself. Yeah. Big sip wholeness locking down the fort. Yo, big up the man in the bar. They shall support the bar. Big up yourself. Definitely wholeness. Just remember, sir. Later down in the evening at the Prime Minister's Gospel Concert. And from the Gospel Concert, you know who over there? Vice Cartel, yeah. Yeah, Vice Cartel. I said Vice Cartel. It's going to be there. Lie me, I tell him, that person. Don't get your hopes up. Yeah, it's a Gospel Concert. So from the Vice Cartel, you should have known, sir. It's not like that. Yeah. Dennis Brown, I got there. Yeah. Garlic Silk. Yeah. Bob Marley. Yeah. Them Monday. Live in Spirit. Yeah. The Charlotte Temptation, the original them. Yeah. Live in Spirit. They should come out of the Gospel Concert today. Man, woman, and child. Tell the people in my foreign and tell them the Andrew Holness of Gospel Concert. That's how far more you spread the word. That's how far I want you to spread the word. I know this Miss Papi, big up yourself, Miss Papi. Show! What you saying? Let me reverse. What are you saying? What are you saying, Indian? He's saying, show. You call the people in my phone already and tell them the Gospel Concert after a while. Alright. I'll call the auntie a country too. And your nephew downtown. Show to the people. People who are called by my name, Andrew Holness. Remember, once you live in West Central, St. Andrew Holness. Don't block the labor right. That's wrong. Give me the green light, baby. Go on, let me go. Show. Big respect to all of the money on the corner. Represent you, respect you, and all of that. Okay. She's not from A. Let's understand, she's not from me. She's from overseas. Yeah. Show. Yeah. Sure. She's loving the vibe. She's videoing from the video patrol. Yeah. Has anybody seen Princess? Where are you? Princess! Are you there look for?
That's not there.
Princess! You know that.
Princess, that probably was our street.
Yeah, Princess, can you come to your gate, please? I have something to give you.